Sometimes I feel like Wonder Woman kicking ass and racing thunder, burning up my fuels and fighting crime. Kicking back, get down the garbage, can't get on a date with Superman. Fly the sky just because I can. I feel so pretty, never feel shitty. I'm a well-respected lady superhero in the city. Yes, I'll be doing fine. Then I fall off the cloud again, brings me back to where I really am. I'm just a little old me, dealing with the same old thing. Whoa, why's my life so boring? Whoa, it's gotta be a little bit more in store for me. Whoa, why's my life so boring? No, I'm up for a little bit more. Just a little something. Now why can I be just an ordinary girl? Bread and cheese for breakfast every day. Show my cooking skills up cause I'm in love with my own love. Give me something to dust off, I'm going crazy, never lazy. Life is wonderful, coffee, 2 sugars and a bold and a beautiful. Still single but I feel ditched. Can't believe Rich really married that bitch. And I'm just a little lonely, dealing with the same old thing. Why's my life so boring? There's gotta be a little bit more in store for me. Why's my life so boring? I'm up for a little bit more. Ordinary life is a waste, and I never own a red cape. Still my mind can fly and bake you perfect apple pie. I'm just a little old me, dealing with the same old thing. Why's my life so boring? There's gotta be a little bit more in store for me. Why's my life so boring? I'm up for a little bit more. Well, I'm a twisted sister and sweet I remain in this crazy inner world where I spend most days trying to amplify my heart and find a brain that works. You're calling your various characters that let your crazy boring bubble burst. Are we meant to be sheep in the herd? I say, that's my word and the trouble I find. The one that's so